Removal. Caution! The display panel assembly is very thin and easily damaged. Take extreme care when separating the display panel assembly from the display enclosure. Remove the mylar strip from the bottom edge of the tablet. Remove the four 2.5mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the display panel assembly to the display enclosure. Important: the rear-facing webcam is secured to the display panel assembly with adhesive. Be sure to separate it prior to removing the display panel assembly. Starting with the top right corner, use a suction cup to disengage the retention clips on the edges of the display panel assembly from the display enclosure. Lift the display panel assembly and place it in front of the display enclosure. If present, remove the mylar shielding that covers the system board, heatsink, and battery. Remove the two 2.3mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the battery cable bracket to the system board. Remove the battery cable bracket. Carefully disconnect the battery cable from the connector on the system board. Peel back the foil and disconnect the display panel cable from the connector on the display panel assembly. Remove the retention tape that covers the touchscreen ZIF connector on the touchscreen board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the touchscreen ZIF connector and disconnect the touchscreen ribbon cable from the touchscreen board. Remove the display panel assembly. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel assembly.